Done with partying? Now it's time for a detox. I mean, skin detox. Hi, this is Dr. Sharmila Nayak, founder of the Skin First Clinic, and I'm passionate about educating and empowering people about skin, hair, and wellness. Parties are time for fun and frolic, but it also means lack of sleep, overeating and drinking, and also applying heavy makeup. What does that lead to? It will lead to some skin issues like dryness, rough texture of skin, irritation. Sometimes it also enhances the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. What should you do after you party? Post-party routine is time to rejuvenate and repair your skin. It's time to detox not only your body but also the most important organ, which is your skin. Start with double cleansing your skin because it will help remove the dirt, debris and even makeup residue. After you double cleanse, you could start with exfoliating your skin so that it smoothens out your skin texture. But remember not to over exfoliate. On a daily basis, start using a gentle hydrating cleanser. Opt for serums which replenish the moisture stores in your skin. Use hyaluronic serums. Use products which help restore the skin barrier function and helps to retain the moisture in your skin. Avoid products which would be dehydrating your skin. You could also use a brightening face wash to make the skin more healthy and radiant. Lack of sleep causes dehydration, so very important that you catch up on good quality of sleep. The next day of the party, because of lack of sleep, overeating, drinking, some people face issues like puffiness or bloating. Replenishing your body, hydrating it helps in flushing out the toxins and also makes the skin appear more softer and plumper. You could also start eating healthy food, start having antioxidant supplements, something as simple as a vitamin C, glutathione or even an omega-3 supplement, especially if you have dry skin. Here's a pro tip. To keep yourself hydrated internally, apart from drinking plenty of water, start having coconut water or even lemon juice. It will help replenish the moisture stores and it also eliminates the toxins from your body, as the night before you might have indulged in overeating or drinking. Do you know there's a treatment which is known as a skin detox treatment, which is highly popular post-party? What does the skin detox treatment include? Apart from deep cleansing, mild exfoliation, infusion of vitamins, there are customized steps depending on your skin issues, along with a nice soothing lymphatic drainage massage. If you want to know more about how to detox your skin, leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such useful tips. So, follow these tips and let your skin shine throughout the year. Till then, keep smiling, keep shining.